Hey guys, today we are painting up a 3D resin print, so we'll get some primer on it and see how this goes. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So we are painting up the 3D print that we did way back when on our Anycubic Photon S. So very first step of this process is to get it primed with some Vallejo black surface primer. After the black primer has totally dried, we're going to base coat this in shallow water seaweed green from Porkorny Paints. Now that we've got the seaweed green dry, we're going to go back over the top of this with a color called Sludge by Porkorny Paints. And you just want to hit the high spots with this. Now it's time for our first dry brush. We're going to use Moss Green by Porkorny Paints, and we're going to dry brush over this entire piece. Now that our dry brush has had a chance to fully cure, we're going to put a wash on this. This is Citadel's Athonian Camo Shade. Now it's time for another dry brush. We're going to hit the high spots and the edges with Lively Green by Vallejo. This is one of my all-time favorite colors. Next, we've got Citadel Shades Carroburg Crimson, which we're going to use inside of the little openings on this alien plant. With the colors blocked out, we're going to clear coat this to protect it. We're using Vallejo's matte acrylic varnish. And now for our very last step, we're using some clear fingernail polish. This is called Big Shiny Top Coat to go inside the little cups of the alien plant and give them that wet, kind of gross, slimy look. And there you have it. One of my very first 3D prints, this alien plant, is now painted and ready for the table. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and make sure to leave me any questions or comments that you have down below. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button